Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara, and thanks so much for joining me. And today guys, I am finally revealing my powder room makeover. But first, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for being patient while I took a little time off in the summer from projects just to spend a little time with my family. I'm also going to be doing this collaboration with my girl Anita from Rollin with Anita. Now we realized we both were doing bathroom projects, and so we decided to do the reveal on the same day. We thought that would be a good idea so that you guys can have a different perspective on a remodel versus a makeover. Now Anita is doing a full renovation on her channel. So she started a series on her renovation project from start to finish. She even included some shopping trips. So when you guys are done watching my video, please go over and check her out. I know I'm excited to see it. So here is what the bathroom looked like before the makeover. The walls were textured in a gold Tuscan color, and I wanted the bathroom to flow more with the rest of the house. So I painted the walls in Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore. And I also painted the cabinet in Templeton Gray by Sherwin-Williams. I added bronze handles. I spray painted the towel bar and the light fixture in oil rubbed bronze by Krylon. I also painted the mirror. And switched out the faucet. Okay, so next I did a DIY on the wall sconce. And guys, I will link all of the related videos to this project in the description box or in an iCard. So here I'm still looking for the right candles, but for now these will do. Okay, so I'm using a ceramic bowl, and I shared this bowl with you guys in a previous haul. It's ceramic with the rustic edge, and I just added a floral arrangement inside. And then I'm adding some scented packs that I got from Kirkland's. And then I have a room spray, and the scent is vanilla lavender. Okay, then next I have a bar of soap. And so everything in this bowl is scented and makes the bathroom smell really nice. Okay, so here I placed more flowers in a rustic flower pot that I got from Home Goods. Okay, so next I have this wire basket, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. And inside I'm going to place some hand soap that I got from Home Goods. And then I have this French-inspired mercury glass bottle, and I just added some beads for texture. I think I have mercury glass in every room of my home. Okay, so next I'm adding some paper guest tiles, and they have a wood grain pattern, and I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond. And just a little wood chip for texture. Okay, so over here I have a picture that I painted. And then I have this take a seat sign, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so in the corner I placed a table, and it's like an antique mirrored table, and I'm placing a tall vase in the corner for height. And then next I'm adding a rustic candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby, and a small succulent plant in a mercury glass votive cup. And that's the bathroom, guys. I think I achieved the rustic theme that I was going for. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to say thanks to Anita for coming along with me. And don't forget to go over and check out Anita's channel. I promise you will not be disappointed. I am looking forward to going over, seeing what she has done. She always does excellent work. So I can't wait to see her bathroom. And then I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.